With workflow templates, you can streamline the creation of common organizational workflows. Workflow templates are pre-built but completely customizable workflows for everyday agreement processes. Workflow templates help you get started with complete workflows that you can easily modify and use. From the Templates page, you can see all workflow templates. You can also choose to browse for templates when creating your own workflow. Within each template, you can view its details and access setup guidelines. When you're ready to start, simply click Use Template to open the pre-built workflow. With steps, templates, forms, participants, and variables already configured. Each step is fully configured, but completely editable. For example, you can use your organization's NDA documents instead of the samples provided in the template. Many templates include steps linked to another application, such as Salesforce or Google Drive. For example, you can archive a signed NDA to Google Drive using this step. Ensure you have the app installed, and choose which folder to store completed documents. You can save your draft progress at any time, or click Review and Publish when you're ready to publish your workflow. All published workflows will be visible to anyone on your account with workflow permissions.